Hello everyone, we have bought the furnitures from Flipkart and Amazon. Those are coffee table and sofa set. In sofa set there is triple seater sofa 1 and single seater sofa 2. And we have bought, and with sofa set we have got 5 cushions, and we bought sofa cover and cushion cover. So let's see how we are doing. So now we have started unboxing the coffee table. So let's see. Now we have started. So these all are the parts of the table, and these are the screw. These are the leg part. These are the screw for the leg. Now we are adding the screws on the tabletop. Now we are going to add the leg part. Now add the screws on the top of the leg part. Now we are going to add the screws on the bottom part of the table. We are going to add all the parts of the table. We have added all the parts of the table. Now it is successfully done. Now tighten the screws of the leg part so the table is tightly fit. Now we are going to unbox the sofa set. Now we have opened the legs of the sofa. Now we are going to attach it at the side of the sofa. There would be given holes, so we have to put inside them. Fit them tightly. We have attached all the sides of a sofa, the legs, we are going to unbox the elastic and polyester sofa cover. So let's see what's inside this. It has given an instruction map and the sofa cover and some plastic rods. It is stretchable also. Now we are going to put the sofa cover on the sofa. Now tie the threads. Now tuck the plastic rods in the gap of the sofa so the sofa cover is tightly fit. So it is successfully done. So beautiful. Now we are unboxing the cushion covers from Amazon. So after installation it looks so beautiful. So if you liked the video, like, share and subscribe. And we have celebrated my father's birthday on the new sofa.